Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie in an air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees F and prepare a 9-inch pie crust. Then mix 1 can pumpkin, 2 eggs, 5 tablespoons sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt until smooth. Pour the filling into the crust and gently tap to remove air bubbles. I'll guide you through timing, texture checks, and easy tips for a perfectly set center every time. Start by tasting and adjusting your filling so it matches your preference for spice and sweetness. I recommend pure pumpkin puree, 2 large eggs, 5 tablespoons sugar, and a tablespoon of vanilla for depth. Whisk until the mixture is smooth and slightly thick, then strain briefly if you want ultra-silky results. We'll talk about how sugar and egg ratios affect set time and how to air fryers vary a lot, so I'll help you test doneness without overcooking. Start checking at 20 minutes by gently shaking the basket. The center should be slightly jiggly, but not liquid. If the crust browns too quickly, tent with foil or use a foil ring to shield edges. Allow the pie to cool in the basket for at least 1 hour, which helps the filling firm up and makes slicing much cleaner and easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.